Hello, everyone. Welcome to Topic of the Day. Today, we will discuss the extension in jurisdiction of the Border Security Forces. Now, recently, the Ministry of Home Affairs has extended the jurisdiction of BSF up to 50 kilometers inside the international borders along Punjab, West Bengal, and Assam. This notification replaces the 2014 order under the BSF Act of 1968, which covers Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, and Meghalaya. After apprehending the suspect and inquiries, the BSF has to hand over the suspect to the local police. Now, what is the rationale behind this move? The first is to increase the operational efficiency. Second, quick response related to crime. Recently, there has been increase in the instances of drones dropping in J&K and Punjab area. Then to crack down smuggling offences across the borders and to check the increase in cross-border infiltration. Now let's learn a bit about Border Security Force. BSF is the first line of defense of the Indian territory. It is one of the five central armed forces. It guards India's borders along the line of Pakistan and Bangladesh. It is controlled by Ministry of Home Affairs and it was raised in wake of the 1965 war. It has its own cadre of officers and headed by a Director General, IPS cadre officer. The jurisdiction powers of BSF. Section 139 of BSF Act empowers the center to notify from time to time the area and extent of operation. It gives it the powers of search, seizure, and arrest against those entering India illegally in respect of the Passport Act 1967 and Passport Act 1920, and to contribute to prevent trans-border crimes, maintain national security, and to contribute to the peacekeeping. It also takes care of the Sur Creek in Arabian Sea, that is near Kutch, the Sundarban Delta in the Bay of Bengal. It also defends Sur Creek in Arabian Sea and the Sundarban Delta in the Bay of Bengal. BSF played a major role in the 1971 Indo-Pakistan War in the famous Operation Parakaram. Now, if we talk about some major concerns, firstly, it undermines the federal spirit, that is, encroachment of power of states without consulting them, and centralization of power without that is encroachment of powers of state without consulting them, nation's security versus public order being under the state list versus national security of union list. Then there is conflict in jurisdiction between the local police and the BSF, lower morale of the local police. There's conflict between the local police and the BSF, which results in lower morale of the local police. Also, BSF is not trained to operate in the residential areas. Lastly, BSF can't plug all the gaps. For example, illegal migration requires political level, that is, a government to government response. So, what can be a possible way forward for this? The first one is improve coordination and cooperation between the security agencies, then strengthening the comprehensive integrated border management system, also strengthening the police capabilities. Also, the Article 355 says that center can deploy its forces to protect a state against external aggression and internal disturbance, even when the state concerned does not agree to the requisition of center's assistance. Now, let us take up a question on this topic. With reference to the Border Security Force, consider the following statements. First, it is under the administrative control of Ministry of Home Affairs. Second, it is deployed along the Pakistan, China, and Bangladesh borders. Third, the BSF does have the power to prosecute crime suspects. You have to choose the correct statements. You can write your answers in the comment section. So the correct answer is A, that is one only. This was all for today's topic. For more such videos, do stay tuned to the Next IAS YouTube channel.